in the day, Sonia Gandhi has met dissenters who had written a letter. The 23 leaders, which has the who's who of the Congress party like Shashi Tharoor, Anand Sharma, Ghulam Nabi Azad, all of them met Sonia Gandhi along with other senior leaders such as Kamal Nath as well as Ashok Gehlot. And what we are picking up from our sources within the Congress is that there was an attempt by Team Rahul Gandhi to try and play down the meeting, where they said that there were no issues really which was there, which were being discussed. They were merely talking about other issues such as that of governance and polity matters as well as the state internal politics. In fact, the group of letters which was written that reiterated their stance that there needs to be an elected Congress president along with elected parliamentary board. So what really happened at the end of it? Let me go across to Samia Kapoor, who's joining us with all the details. Samia, what are your sources telling you about what transpired during the meeting? We all know what the letter said. They said they wanted an elected leader as well as an elected parliamentary board. At the end of the meeting, what happened?
Well, Meghna, the meeting that lasted close to 5 hours today was one of the most recent unprecedented ones. Clearly, the Congress President Sonia Gandhi had decided to give a patient hearing to all the leaders who showed up from the letter group of leaders, which is popularly called the G23. But along with them, there were the other neutral leaders also who were present, like Mr. Kamal Nath, Mr. Ashok Gehlot, Ajay Markan, P. Chidambaram, A.K. Antony. And from the letter group of leaders, there were Ghulam Nabi Azad, Anand Sharma, Shashi Tharoor, Manish Tiwari and Prithviraj Chavan and Vivek Tankha. Now, what we are given to understand is that while there were discussions about going ahead and strengthening the Congress party organizationally, but there was also a reiteration from the part of the G23 leaders that they are still standing firm on the demand that one, there should be a full-time Congress president, a Congress president who is available 24/7, something that we have not seen in the recent past because Sonia Gandhi has been an interim Congress president and due to her health issues, she hasn't really always been available, and that has been one of the foremost grounds of several of the Congress leaders and party workers who say that they get divided between who should they go to as their leader, whether it's Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi. Now, the other thing that the Congress leaders who wrote the letter reiterated was that they need a parliamentary board and the Congress working committee committee should be through an electoral process, be deciding upon who are going to be their members and not through appointments, not through selection. Because if it's an appointment, then those who are carrying out those appointments then become responsible if their appointees do not perform. And if they are elected, then it's entirely their responsibility. But what is most interesting is that while there were murmurs that came out of the meeting soon after the meeting got concluded, was that Rahul Gandhi has accepted that he is willing to take over any responsibility that the Congress party deems fit. This has been refuted strongly by the G23 leaders. They say there is no question about any such discussion having taken place where they have agreed upon accepting Rahul Gandhi's leadership, or for that matter, that they had Rahul Gandhi to say that he is willing to take over the responsibility, anything that the party deems fit for him. One other thing that they pointed out was that there was a concerted effort from Rahul Gandhi's team yesterday to downplay today's meeting, to say there are no issues left to be discussed in the meeting with Sonia Gandhi. This is something that really drew the ire of these leaders from the G23, and they decided to put forth their side of the story to say that
if it is indeed, as Samia is rightly pointing out, the Rahul Gandhi team is saying that it was just a routine meeting, then why weren't some of the leaders such as Surjewala, such as Sataf, whom these G23 leaders categorically had said that they had issues with, were not part of this meeting? Is there more to this meeting other than just a routine catching up, or was this a plan for the future? Of course, it seems for the timing at least, unanimously still the loyalists have said Rahul Gandhi is going to be the way forward for the Congress. Samia, stay with us. In fact, let's get you some of the reactions of the leaders who were part of this G23 meeting with Sonia Gandhi.
जो भी मुद्दे उठाए गए थे पार्टी को मजबूत करने के लिए, उसके लिए और कुछ लोग बैठेंगे, जो बातें कही गई थी उसका रिकॉर्ड किया जाएगा, अपनी अपनी बातें और लिख के देंगे और सबका एक बिल्कुल एक अच्छे वातावरण में, कंस्ट्रक्टिव वातावरण में चर्चा हुई। आदरणीय कांग्रेस अध्यक्षा सोनिया जी ने भी मीटिंग को संबोधित किया। हमारे ज्येष्ठ नेता पूर्व अध्यक्ष राहुल जी ने भी बैठक को संबोधित किया। प्रियंका
बहुत विस्तार से बातचीत हुई और ये तय हुआ कि एक योजनाबद्ध तरीके से हम संवैधानिक लोकतंत्र को बचाने के लिए और आम आदमी के हित, जिसमें किसान, मजदूर, नौजवान सब सम्मिलित हैं, उसके लिए जन संघर्ष को मजबूत करेंगे।
सर, चिंतन शिविर होगा, क्या होगा कांग्रेस में चिंतन?
हम फिर मिलेंगे, फिर बातचीत करेंगे, जिसमें ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल दूसरे सारे इश्यूज को कैसे स्ट्रक्चर ढांचा बिल्ड करना है बात करेंगे।
कब होगा सर, कब होगा?
was a free dealing discussion. Everybody participated. Whatever anyone had to say, wanted to say, he took full time to say it, and therefore 18 members.
They were
speaking
critical of Rahul Gandhi, sir.
Nobody was critical of Rahul Gandhi. Everybody supported it. There is an agenda before the party. Election process has been set in motion. The Central Election Authority is working on it. And as and when any step is taken, you will certainly be aware of it.
Any dissenters want to become Congress president?
Nobody said that. Nobody said.
सोनिया गांधी जी ने क्या कहा सर?
उन्होंने भी पार्टी को मजबूत करने का कहा कि हम एक बहुत बड़ा परिवार हैं, एक परिवार के तौर पे हम सब उसमें मिलकर काम करेंगे, और यही श्री राहुल गांधी ने कहा।